creamy, cheesy, full of flavor, and a little spicy kick. Let's make vegan jalapeno popper dip. Start by de-seeding jalapeños. Place them on a baking sheet and drizzle them with olive oil. Then we'll roast them in the oven. While they're roasting, blend beans with vegetable broth till it's nice and smooth. Pour it into a large bowl along with vegan cream cheese. Stir it a little bit, then add vegan cheddar shreds, bacon bits, and vegan mayo. Next, we're going to dice the roasted jalapeños and add them to the bowl, along with a squirt of lime juice and a variety of seasoning. Stir it and then pour it into an oven-safe baking dish. Then we're going to top this with chopped up vegan cheddar and bacon bits. Bake it in the oven. The full recipe is on the blog.